You don't need expensive pills or artificial supplements to heal your body. Nature already gave us everything we need. Today, we're blending 5 powerful superfood smoothies that can transform your health. Whether you want to flush liver toxins, boost brain power, melt stubborn fat, or heal your gut, there's a smoothie for you. Let's make smoothie number 1. Smoothie number 1, the Mango Glow. In your blender, combine 1 cup of ripe mango, 1 banana, a handful of fresh spinach, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, and 1 cup of coconut water. Blend until creamy smooth.
Mangoes are packed with vitamins A and C to give your skin a natural glow. Spinach helps detox your liver, while chia seeds deliver omega-3s and fiber for effortless gut balance.
Smoothie number 2, the Berry Brain Booster. Fuel your mind with half a cup of blueberries, half a cup of strawberries, half an avocado, 1 tablespoon of flax seeds, and 1 cup of almond milk.
Blueberries are famous for protecting brain cells and sharpening memory. Strawberries boost collagen production, while healthy fats from avocado support balanced hormones and radiant skin.
Smoothie number 3, Tropical Gut Healer. Heal bloating with half a cup of pineapple, half a cup of papaya, 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger, lemon juice, and coconut water.
Pineapple and papaya contain bromelain and papain, natural digestive enzymes that break down heavy foods instantly. Ginger calms inflammation, making this a total vacation for your digestive system.
Smoothie number 4, the Green Fat Burner. Combine 1 crisp green apple, 1 hydrating cucumber, lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of moringa powder, and 1 cup of aloe vera juice. This blend regulates blood sugar, eliminates water retention, and fires up your metabolic rate so your body burns calories all day long. Every ingredient you blend is a gift to your body. Try one of these healing smoothies this week and feel the incredible difference. Which smoothie are you making first? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily health secrets.